So the website's name is Digital Garage by the Google, and the course that I'm going to tell you in this video is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Now this course is all about how to grow your business digitally, some SEO and SEM tricks so that your website gets ranked higher than your competitors, how to identify your potential customers and how to make them buy your product, how to identify your unique selling point and how to compete with your competitors. So this course is all about this. Now the best part about this course is that it is 100% free, and upon completion you'll also get a certificate signed by Google. Now if you log on to this Digital Garage by Google, you will find some other courses as well that are on business and how to grow a business. Some of the courses are also on coding. So make sure that you check this website out. The link is in the description. And I hope you like this video. If you did, do hit the like button, subscribe button, and I'll meet you in my next video.